the city government of Cotabato would like to welcome you all to the Sharif Kabunsuan Festival 2024, the Ginakit Festival Parade. As his OIC City Administrator, my task of course is to read his message on his behalf. Bagaman wala po siya dito because he has to attend to an equally important event para rin po ito sa development ng Cotabato City. He is extending of course his full support and commitment dito sa celebration ng Sharif Kabunsuan Festival 2024. Just earlier this morning, the Cotabato City had just celebrated the longest line pastille in City Plaza, and we made 103 meters pastille, all for the benefit of the people of Cotabato City. Yes, we just celebrated, of course, not just the culinary tradition of Cotabato City and the entire Bangsamoro region, but also we showcase the creativity, the unity, and of course, the pride of all Cotabateños. We are making sure that all the residents of Cotabato City ay mararamdaman po ang presensya ng administrasyon para sa lahat, kaya nagkaroon po kami ng pastil para sa lahat. During this, of course, the Sharif Kabunsuan Festival 2024. It's one of our highlights in Cotabato City. And we will also have our Inol fashion show tomorrow, wherein we are showcasing all our Inol products, the way how we carry our malong and other Inol products. Now with the message of Mayor. Sa araw na ito, sama-sama nating ipinagdiriwang ang makulay at makasaysayang kultura ng ating mga ninuno sa pamamagitan ng Ginakit Fluvial Parade. Ang okasyong ito ay mahalaga, hindi lamang para sa Cotabato City, kundi para rin sa buong Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Ang kwento ni Sharif Kabunsuan na nagdala ng Islam sa ating lugar ay nananatiling pundasyon ng ating pagkakanilanlan at pagkakaisa. Ang ginakit na ating itinampok ngayon ay isang makapangyarihang simbolo hindi lamang ng paglalakbay kundi ng pagkakaisa, pagkakaintindihan at pagsama-sama. Bilang sentro ng BARM, Cotabato City is proud to lead this celebration kasama ang ating tagline, para sa lahat, aksyon ang solusyon. Ito ang panata, ang maging inclusive, responsive at tuloy-tuloy sa pag-aksyon para sa kabubuti ng bawat isa sa anumang bahagi sa BARM. Kaya naman nagpapasalamat tayo sa Bangsamoro Government at sa bawat munisipalidad at lalawigan ng BARM na nakiisa sa selebrasyong ito. Ang Sharif Kabunsuan Festival ay hindi lamang paggunita sa kasaysayan, kundi isang pahayag ng ating pangako na mas maliwanag na kinabukasan. Let this event remind us of our shared heritage and inspire us to work together for peace, progress, unity in the entire Bangsamoro region. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumulong upang maging matagumpay ang pagdiriwang na ito mula sa Bangsamoro Government, ating local government units, volunteers, sponsors, at bawat Cotabateño at Bangsamoro na narito ngayon. Muli, welcome to the Sharif Kabunsuan Festival 2024. Mabuhay ang BARM, mabuhay ang Cotabato City, mabuhay po tayong lahat. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah, syukran and wassalam.
Maraming salamat OIC City Administrative Officer Ma'am Mahalea Dumama at Mitimbang. Ayan. Salamat